and welcome back to Stef Chef. Today au menu Carpaccio, Italian answer to French Steak Tartare, invented in 1950s by chef Giuseppe Cipriani in Harry's Bar in Venice for the Countess Monezzigo. Basically, it's thin slices of meat drizzled with olive oil and lemon juice. You can use beef, venison, veal, or even salmon or tuna. Toppings may vary, but here's my version that I'm going to do for you today. So, to make our carpaccio, you need the main ingredients, which is the meat. Today I've got some fillet steak. I've got some capers, some granado panado. You can use the other one, which is parmesan, of course. Top it with some wild rockets and some basil leaves and dressing, olive oil and lemon, without forgetting the salt and pepper. After an hour or an hour and a half that the beef's been in the freezer, it comes out. Beautiful piece of meat. Now it's easier to do it with an electric knife, but the production hasn't got me one yet, so I'll do without. So as thin as you can. So, meat in the plate. Now we need to season it. Generous black pepper. Next comes the salt, olive oil drizzling, lemon juice, and now we garnish the plate. Start with a little rockets, little granado, little capers, and lastly a few basil leaves. Another olive oil, another lemon juice, another black pepper. There you have it, Carpaccio, Italy on the plates, basically. I can't wait to tuck it in. To go with that, I don't know what my friend's got for me today. Oh, he's got a little Cabernet Sauvignon, that will do, but Italian wine also very good with that, Chianti, for instance. So let's have a little sip. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. That will be ace. And see you soon on Stef Chef. I'm gonna try that one. And I'm gonna tuck in. Ooh, my fave.